From the Customer's menu, select a customer for whom you would like to create or edit a role. Go to the Roles menu. Click Add to create a new role. Input the desired name and description for the role. Next, select the role type. An admin role type user has access to the admin panel video portal and alarm station with the ability to add and configure cameras and alert settings. A guard role type user has access to the video portal and alarm station only, viewing only the cameras to which they've been granted permission. Assign the desired users to the role by either typing the user's name or email address, or selecting the users from the drop-down list. Leaving Add All Cameras to the role checked will enable all registered cameras under the customer to the newly created role. Remove the check mark to manually add cameras. Click Add to create the new role. Existing roles can be managed by clicking on them. Here we can modify access and permissions for specific camera devices. Click on the check marks next to the cameras or on the camera name to enable the device for the role. Clicking on the checkbox next to selected will allow you to select or deselect all devices. The camera name field allows us to search for a device by its assigned name. By clicking on the Columns button, we can enable the camera ID and shared columns to broaden our camera search. Each camera has 6 permissions that can be assigned to the role. View is a default permission allowing the users for the role to view the camera in the video portal and/or the alarm station. Share permission allows for sharing of cameras and clips. PTZ permission grants the pan, tilt, zoom function for the user's role if the device has the capability to do so. Update allows for uses in the role to modify the camera name as well as disable the device. Save clip permission allows for the creation and storage of clips into the library menu and the video portal. Delete permission can allow the user to delete the device from the account. Global permissions buttons allow us to enable or disable specific permissions for all listed devices. Narrow down the list by typing the camera name or camera ID. Additionally, at the top of the menu we can include or exclude devices assigned to existing roles, narrowing the list of devices. The Settings menu allows us to rename the role as well as modify its description. In the Integrations menu, we can configure payload fields to be associated with the role we are creating. Menu allows us to add and remove users from the role. You can assign multiple roles to one user, and the same role can be assigned to multiple users, but a user can only have one type of role, either admin or guard, not both. The Delete menu allows us to delete a role. We need to remove any users from the role before doing so. Owner and admin roles are default system roles and cannot be deleted. An admin role can be modified, but no changes can be made to the owner role. Note that in the Info menu of a camera we can review which roles the device has been added to. Click on Roles to expand the list. Clicking on a specific role will let us access the settings of that role.
Don't forget to check out Eclipse CCTV for more info on our security systems and hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss our next video.